Soon you won't be able to sell your products under MDD. MDR allows this until May 2024. That sounds simple, and it is. But it can be very beneficial for your business to look one level deeper. If you play your cards right, you can minimize risk and protect your sales. At the detail level, MDR says, the product may be placed on the market until May 2024. They can also be made available or put into service until May 2025. Okay, what does that mean? The terms are not defined in MDR. Normally, we look for these definitions in Blue Guide. The Blue Guide provides explanations and advice on the implementation of medical device rules. In 2022, an update of the Blue Guide was published. A new Blue Guide provides insight into fundamentals of MDR. I can tell you the definitions for placing on the market have not changed. However, it does provide some examples to make it more clear how to interpret these definitions. Let me take you through them. My name is Dina Lakayan, founder and CEO of Create. Today I'm going to help you to understand what the Blue Guides means for your products. To start with, let's go through the red line of the text. Placing on the market means transferring ownership. The transfer of ownership is done after manufacturing. Also, each product can be placed on the market only once. The act of placing on market can only be done by manufacturer, or in case the manufacturer is outside of the EU market, by the importer. It doesn't matter in which country the product is placed on the market. Making available is to supply the products for distribution, consumption, or use on the European market. The first time the product is made available is the moment it is placed on the market. It can be made available more than once, for example by a distributor or a local agent. Finally, putting into service is when the product reaches the end user. Here is some example of the situation. A product manufactured in the US was sold to the hospital in the EU country in March 2019. The product enters in the European market in April 2019. So the date that the product is placed on the market will be March 2019. This is the date the ownership was transferred. The same product may be entering the market by the importer in February 2019. However, it will be only made available for distribution in March 2019. Since the product ownership was only be transferred when it's available for distribution, the date of placing on the market will be March 2019. The same manufacturer may sell the product based on the catalog order in March 2019. The product is manufactured based on the order in June 2019 and will be transferred to the EU country in July. The date that the product is placed on the market is then June 2019, as the agreement is valid for the manufactured product. If the product is manufactured in the EU and made available for distribution in the EU market, it's placed on the market the same day as it's made available. The distribution can be done by the manufacturer or by any other company. Now this is where it gets interesting. If you place your MDD product on the market before May 2024, an EU distributor can put it into service until May 2025. You, as the manufacturer, cannot place the product on the market after May 2024. But if you have a separate legal entity for distribution, then you can make the products available for your customer for a whole extra year. That's a great news if your notified body is not able to approve your MDR files in time. Leave a comment under this video or on our LinkedIn page. Let us know if you'd like to see more of these videos to help you to understand the definitions and the terms under the MDR. And I'll see you next time.